If you are receiving a lot of alerts or notifications from EA Sports FC companion app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable notifications from this app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to achieve this, you need to access the app info page. For that, just long press on your app if you are on Android and you should see app info. If you don't see this, you should see the name of the app or even a settings gear just around here. Tap on any of this to access the app's info page. At this point, look for permission section and under it, go to notifications. As you can see, if I tap on notifications, we have various types of notifications that are on. With all these notifications on, you'll always receive those alerts whenever you are connected on the internet. So to fix this, just toggle off show notifications, and this will disable these notifications permanently unless you enable this on again. So that's how you can disable notifications from your EA Sports FC companion app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.